What if one small image is sending the wrong message about you online? Most people get this wrong. But here's why your profile picture on X matters more than you think. It is the first thing people notice, and sometimes removing it is the best move. Today, I'll show you exactly how to remove your profile picture on X, step by step, in under a minute. First, open the X app or go to the website and log into your account. Tap your profile picture in the top corner and go to your profile page. Once you're there, select Edit Profile. This is where you can change your name, file, and photo. Now tap your current profile picture. You'll see an option to change or remove it. Select Remove Photo, then save your changes. You won't believe what happens next when your profile instantly switches back to the default avatar. If you don't see a remove option, you can upload a blank or plain color image instead. This trick works because X requires an image file. Once saved, your profile will appear as if there is no photo. Most people get this wrong by thinking they must keep an image forever. You're in full control of your profile identity. The surprising truth is that sometimes less is more. If this helped, subscribe for more simple social media guides.